Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Apple Watch notifications on iPhone, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Apple Watch notifications on your iPhone, start by opening the Watch app. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen for the My Watch tab. Tap on My Watch to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the notifications option. Select notifications to see the available settings. Here, you will see a list of all your installed apps. Locate the app for which you want to disable notifications. Tap on the app name to open its individual notification settings. You will see options for Mirror My iPhone and Custom. To disable notifications on your Apple Watch, select Custom. Within the Custom settings, you will find options to toggle notifications off. You can also adjust the alert styles and notification settings here. After making your changes, simply tap the back arrow or close the app. Your new notification settings will automatically save. Repeat these steps for any other apps you want to adjust. That's it. You have successfully disabled Apple Watch notifications on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.